Hello everyone. In this session, we'll be learning index function, how it works and where we can use it. That we'll be learning in this session. First and foremost, we have taken a random names or a random list of names where we'll be trying to find an index. First of all, what is index? Index is nothing but it will identify and give the name or give the cell value of the row number or the index which we are indicating. For example, here it has 9 names. So I'll say, for example, I need Kishan, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth name in the list, and so on. Sixth is John, seventh is India. So whenever I'm giving a number to identify uh, which value of cell it has to take, that will be indicating in a row number, and index where we will be putting the formula of the cell value which it has to capture. For example, I'll type equals index, 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 and then I'll open a bracket, select the array. So here you can see it is asking for an array, then comma, it will ask for a row number. So row number, I'll say like I want Kishan. So row numbers I'll be indicating here. So I'll click on here and again comma and column name. If at all, this is an optional. If at all, if there is an two-dimensional array, means two columns or multiple columns, if it is there, that we can indicate. As of now, we'll only see the row. So I'm only giving the array and a row number, and I'll close the bracket. Say by default it will be choosing that particular. I'll go up again. Yeah. So I'll say, for example, I need Kishans, that is 1 2 3 4 5. So I'll enter 5, and as soon as I hit enter, it will come for Kishan. So I want, say, USA, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8. So 8, enter. So it started coming USA. So same way, if I enter 9, it will come for Asia. So this is how the index will work. This is one dimensional index. If I want two dimensional, say for example, I have numbers here. I'll enter the same formula, but this time, let's say I'll copy, paste it here. Column also I'll be adding. So let's say I want a second column, 9th row. Okay, so for that the formula will be equals index. I'll select both the dimensional arrays, comma. Say this time I'll select row 2, or I can make it this one, then comma, or I can make it as one more time. I'll type equal INDEX index, 2 arrays, comma, this is row, comma, this is column. So it is asking for the column. So I'll close the bracket, hit enter. So it is coming 9. Why? I have selected second column and 9th row, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, means this exact cell I am mentioning. So if I want to say 7th row, second column is this. If I change the column to 1, it will come this one. So it is exactly taking which column. This is column 1, column 2, and if at all, if it is there column 3, column 4, it can change the numbers. And if it is row, that is, it will be selecting whether row 3, row 4, like that. So based on that index, whatever the values which we are giving, it will start getting the cell value. I hope this session gave you a fair idea about index function. Thanks for watching.
If you like the video, then share and subscribe. Detail Excel course link is in the description.